All right, people. So, of course, the winter storm is coming, and you have to ensure that you have some things in place in preparation for the storm. You have to ensure that you park your vehicle a little bit away from the curve wall. If you do so, if you park it on the outside, ensure that your wiper is up because you don't want that stuck in, the snow when it comes down on the vehicle. Yeah. Ensure that you turn on your heater in your house. Also, if you're not going to be at your house, you want to ensure that you turn on the pipes to drip a little bit and open like the closet areas and so forth. So when you turn the heater on, it will go through, because you do this to avoid pipes being burst. You know what I mean? So these are some of the things that you do in preparation for the winter storm. Of course, you also ensure that you have adequate amount of food on the inside to keep you as long as possible throughout this storm. Also, people, I want you to also do a check-in on some of the vital things around your house. You also check back on your vehicle after the storm or the snow subside to ensure that everything is in order. You have to clean off your vehicle as well. Clean away the path where the vehicle is going to be driving, because you want to ensure that everything is in order. You can drop some of the things that you believe that I left out in preparation for a snowstorm. All right, folks. This is the aftermath of the winter storm. So there's a chatty road that show now what's going on. Is it? A lot of work has been done. Clear up the snow. See me? Garbage receptacle. All the snow. Some people have not moved yet to, clean up their vehicles. Curb wall there fully. Some people clean out them vehicle already there, so some people not budget. Is it? The vehicle here does fully. Nobody not come look on this set. The one there. So the whole, see, across the street, whole complex. These here, the roadblock, snow, the complex, snow. So all in all, there's a little wind that is coming on, a little rain as well. So the place to me is rather colder now. You see what I say? Place is rather colder now to me because the wind. So the wind that will blow the ice. So you see, some people clean out them vehicle already. So the trick to it is that when it's snow time, you put your wiper blade up, because you don't want the wiper blade gets stuck in the snow. See? So see another wiper blade up. See? Snow is right here. That wiper blade is up, so the snow not stuck in the wiper blade and it can't use it. Somebody didn't do it there. They might have problems with that. Somebody did it here. Somebody clean up already. This person never do it. But I mean, everybody of them would have doing this stuff. The bim there. Man, the bim park up. 4matic GLC. Park up. So too much. The whole place entrance. Everywhere. So some place quicker than some in terms of the getting rid of the snow. People show water on the vehicle, probably warm water. You know, this person now, based on how this look, them now move the part on top. And when them a drive, that always cause the problem. As you may see, the rain a trickle down. The rain a trickle down. Yeah, man, the rain a trickle down. See, the snow plus the rain. So it's set one aftermath. See, the ice are gonna stay long on the ground because now I'm gonna melt so quick. The one there stall over this one now move so you better try fix it. Everything's secure, yeah, so everything's secure that is supposed to be secure, so yeah, man. So the thing set. Yeah, so big up on yourself, people. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, you got a look view on what's happening. Until next time.
I came out here and I know that smiley face.
So this is it, folks. Yes, snowstorm. Snowstorm. Look at the vehicles. Every vehicle is white. Entire property is white. Yo. Talk about white. This is white. Snow, snow, snow. Yep. Sitting high, looking low. Mad thing. Here's snow. Still a snow. So I know if that snowstorm I have to ease up, you see me? People have a brother that clean off him car. Alright folks, big up on yourself. We're out.